Hey guys, what's going on? Today we're going to do a quick show on how to actually list something on Offerup. This one is super easy. It's kind of, just like Let Go, kind of a better version of Craigslist these days. Makes things a lot easier to use, quicker sales and stuff like that, obviously that you can take care of and not have to post anything on eBay or anything. So we're going to do a quick show of how to actually list something. So I'm going to come down here in the lower, right in the middle of this green camera icon. I'm going to go ahead and press it. And I've already got we'll go ahead and trash that one. I've already got this one kind of set up. I haven't done anything, anything new. Just kind of went through it just to make sure I had everything set up correctly. So let's go ahead and just do it from the beginning. So you can either take a photo or go ahead and select one, obviously from your camera roll or not. I'll go ahead and hit, our subfolder is called Cell in my camera roll. So I'll just go ahead and click a photo in here. I'll go ahead and click it and hit done. You can see it says post an item. We've added the photo. You can come down here and click in the title. I went ahead and typed in tile mate location finder. Go ahead and hit done. And then of course we'll hit next. And it's already pre-disposed, I think. I don't know if anything's set up on the describe your item, but I went ahead and just went ahead and hit electronics. I think it was set up over here and used because that's probably what a lot of people actually have used stuff, but this is new, never used. So I'm going to drag that on over to the new selection, and we'll go and come down here in the description, and I just type in brand new. If you want to do anything else, obviously just do a tile mate, location finder. That way people can see the description, and we'll go ahead and hit done. You can scroll these over, and you got home and garden. You can see more, but that's what we've got. So we'll hit next again. I went ahead and I think they obviously have $0 up there when you originally do it. Let's call it we'll put $20 up there. We'll actually do 15. That's about what they go for. And then you can either hit firm on price or take it on or off. We'll go ahead and select that to turn on. We'll hit next. Now it's already got the delivery method. They do have a new setup where they can actually you can sell stuff and ship it, and obviously you can see a low 7.9 service fee applies. That's obviously better than eBay. eBay usually gets you for somewhere around the 7-ish%, but then of course I don't know how you get paid like that, but of course PayPal takes another like 3 and change%. So before you know it, when you sell something, you're usually in that 10-11% range on eBay. So I don't know, that might be a good deal. I've just never done it. I don't know if I really would trust it, but I just rather sell it locally. So you can either hit get my location or type in your zip code, so you can tell. I went ahead and typed that one in there, hit the save location, and you can see we're ready to go. Hit next. You can see a quick what your actual posting is going to look like, and it's called the tile mate location finder, exactly like we did it. I'm not going to share it on Facebook or anything like that. I just don't do that. So we'll go ahead and hit post. And you can see we've already actually got it ready to rock and roll. That's how simple it was, really. So hit done. We'll let it go. And before you know it, you'll actually see it up there pop up here shortly. And sometimes you can come back to the main board and actually hit refresh and see what if it actually gets thrown up there. But sometimes it takes a little bit. Of course, you can see the new shipping. I guess people would be willing to ship you some stuff. Like I said, I'm not sure how trustworthy it is. If you guys have ever done it, feel free to let me know if you've actually done that. Comment down below, and we'll let me know how it went. But normally I just come over here to the pickup side, but you can see you've got your little profile on the lower right. You got you know what you're selling over here. The camera, you got your message board and your home icon down there. So those are those 5 icons down there in the bottom. And of course you can come up to the Offerup part and just type whatever you're looking for at the time. But that's how you post something to Offerup. It's super easy. And in another video I'll show you guys Let Go if you guys are ever curious of that one. It's just a little bit it's super easy. Like I said, it's a little bit nicer than actually having to deal with Craigslist or anything like that. So if you guys like the video, feel free to comment down below. Give us a thumbs up, give me a like, and most importantly, give me some subscribes. That's what we need. I do a video a day for a year to see this YouTube process and how it's like actually to start making a name and a brand for yourself, and see how long it takes, and if it really does take hold, or if it's just one of those things that you gotta really be cut out to do. And we'll see how it goes. So feel free to subscribe, comment, like, subscribe, and can't wait to see you guys in the next one. See you guys.